Students of Australia forever strong, with kangaroos, koalas and Tasmanian devils down under from Sydney to Perth. Students of Australia, creating change and working for good, doing compassion projects, being charity entrepreneurs. Students of Australia forever